Hello everyone, so today we are going to be opening up some new products from Amazon Prime, and yeah, so let's get started. So the first product we have here is the Garnier Green Labs Serum Cream, Brightening Serum Cream, or Pineapple C with SPF 30. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put some on here so you guys can see. Let's see if I can get some light here. Okay, so it's just a lotion. It does feel kind of moisturizing. So there's that. And it does smell like pineapples. So the main ingredients for the sunscreen is benzoin, homosalate, octisalate, and octocrylene. Okay, and it claims to be a 3-in-1, like a serum, a cream, and a sunscreen in one. So there's that. Next we have the Olive Moisturizing Day Cream. And it looks like this. And just like the other one, it's just a white cream. This one definitely feels a lot less greasy. It has a very subtle smell. It doesn't really smell like much. So I think it would be really good for sensitive skin. It claims to be natural too. Natural skincare, certified natural skincare. And it claims to not have a bunch of common allergens. So there's that. Next product here we have is the Boscia Vitamin B12 Hydration Booster Serum. And it looks like this. And I think you're supposed to shake it up, so let me just shake it up real quick. Oh, it's a twist. Okay, and it's a twist up container. So I'll just put some right here. Oh, there we go. It's a relatively clear serum. It's more watery than most serums. Like you see, it's pretty watery. Okay. It doesn't really smell like anything. So yeah, there's that, the Boscia serum. Next, we have this Sericin silk-inspired skincare exfoliating foaming cleanser. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a pump bottle. So I'm gonna just give this a shake real quick. And I'll just put some right here. Oh, it's just a foam, and it smells really good. Like a, it has a very herbal, botanical, like high-end smell to it. I really like that. Okay. And it claims to be exfoliating. So, yeah. Next, we have here is the Balance Me Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum. And I think this is a night serum. This is retinol alternative. So you would wear this at night. So it looks like this. Comes in a pump container. I'll just pump some right here. It's like a beige colored cream. It's not too thick or thin. So, yeah. It does have a very herbally kind of lavender smell to it. Okay. Next, we have the Vichy Normaderm Phytoaction Acne Control Daily Moisturizer. And the active ingredient in this is salicylic acid 2%. So if you have, I'm shaking it up, if you have a pimple or something, you might want to wear this during the day. Okay, no, just pump some right here. There you go. It's very thin. And I think this is really good for oily skin types too. Yeah, it's pretty thin. It absorbs right in. It does have a botanical smell as well, but it's not very strong. Okay. Next, we have another Bakuchiol cream, and this one is from Erno, Laszlo. Okay. And it looks like this. It's actually a really pretty container. Okay. There we go. And it's just a pale cream. I'll take some on my hand here. Put it right here. It's not thin nor thick. Like, you can definitely tell it's hydrating. Yeah, you just gotta rub it in. It does have a very faint smell as well, but I feel like if you have sensitive skin, it won't bother your allergies. So yeah, it's not super thick. So there's that. And let's see what else we have. We have this NanaRobe Premium Super All-in-One Moisturizing Facial Gel here. And it says contains hydrolyzed swiftlet nest. So I'm just gonna put some right here. It's a very milky, serum-y like moisturizer. So I'm just gonna put it on the other hand this time. It's kind of watery. Yeah. It does have an orange smell to it, or like a citrusy smell. So there's that. What else do we have here? We have this GlowTrition Super Beauty Serum. And it comes with a roller Okay, so I think you're supposed to press this button here. I can't tell if it dispensed the product or not. Oh, there we go. And you roll it on. It doesn't really smell like anything. Yeah, you're supposed to roll it. And the roller does feel cooling, so I feel like this would be really nice in the morning when you're getting ready, especially the under eye area. So yeah, it says contains Procol 1 hyaluronic acid and resveratrol. So apply to face and neck. So there's that. And anything else? There is this Georgette Klinger Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer for combo dry and sensitive skin. And let me just wipe my hands here. Okay. So I'll just put some directly on my hand here. There we go. It's actually a really good texture. It's not too thick or thin. And it has a very slight coconut scent to it. Yeah. So there's that. And I believe that is all. So I guess we can do a recap. Okay. Is it all? Yes. Okay, so we looked at the Garnier serum cream and the Boscia serum. We looked at this Sericin cleanser, this olive day cream, this Vichy Normaderm Acne Control Daily Moisturizer, this Balance Me Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum, this GlowTrition Super Beauty Serum, this Georgette Klinger Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer, this NanaRobe Premium Facial Gel. There we go. And of course the Erno Laszlo firming cream. And I think that is all. So if you found this unboxing fun or helpful, you can feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I will make more content like this in the future. And yeah, thank you. See you guys again next time. Bye.